Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Steam website step by step. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you must simply type in Steam, and then you can hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link that appears, tap on the three lines at the top left of your screen, and then hit sign in at the top. Here you can either sign in with your account username along with your password, or you can use a QR code to sign in. If you've not already, then you must scroll down and then hit create an account. Here you must enter your email address, your country of residence, hit continue, after which Steam will send you a verification code in which you'll have to verify your email by copying the code from the email app into the Steam's website, and then you'll have to create a password and agree to the terms and conditions of Steam to create your account. The device that you're trying to create your account on will automatically log you into Steam. If you're trying to log in to some other device, then you'll have to follow the instructions given earlier to log in to Steam. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.